The acronym CSD, as in CSD Matrix, stands for Certainties, Suppositions, and Doubts. This framework uses a 3-column structure to organize what everyone involved in a project knows, the certainties, hypothesizes, the suppositions, and things they don't know yet, or the doubts. It's a helpful framework for organizing information in discovery. The first column is for certainties, or things that you're sure about. These are trusted findings from reliable research that we can use as the basis for confident decision-making in design and product development. When you write certainties in the first column, lead with the phrase, "we know," and then link to the supporting data in your research repository. This way, everyone can see the evidence that led to the certainty. Keep an eye on certainties over time. What you're sure of today might change as the project evolves and you learn more throughout discovery. Suppositions go in the second column. These are informed guesses and plausible, testable hypotheses derived from initial research findings. These findings can come from methods such as stakeholder interviews and desk research. They're testable through methods like A/B testing or more in-depth qualitative studies. Just like with certainties, when listing out suppositions in the CSD matrix, link to the source on which the supposition is based, as well as what research methods and data would either validate the supposition as a certainty or refute it. The third column is for doubts, which are open questions that need further investigation. The objective is to answer these doubts using exploratory research to either confirm the doubt or move it to a supposition. Once you have answers to the questions in the doubts column, the new information can be added to the suppositions or the certainties column, or the doubt may disappear altogether. CSD matrices organize information to refine the scope and set the direction for discovery activities. They emphasize answering questions, refining hypotheses, and expanding knowledge. For your upcoming discoveries, experiment with a CSD matrix. Try our Excel and Miro templates below to get started.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.